Hello Choro-Q fans, we got a Honda new step wagon. Granted, this was a new step wagon back in 2006. So let's take a look at this guy. It's part of the standard collection. Look at this packaging. It said, 4 kinds of speeds. And the white one is standard engine, that's what's highlighted. There's also a speed engine, a slow engine, and a 2-speed engine, supposedly. Maybe these are some ideas, but maybe they never came to fruition. I'm not sure if they ever made anything like ChoroQs with different motor speeds. Not sure. Anyways, it's got a little protective plastic wrap on it to keep the paint from scratching, but I find that they often get scratched anyways, so it's kind of a waste. But maybe they get scratched less. See, there's something wrong there. So, okay, so these are images of a 2006 Honda step wagon, and I gotta say that looks somewhat similar, the front end of this guy. So the foreshortening, quite a bit. Yeah, I like this diagonal line going up the side of the car, or the van. Okay, not bad for a cartoon toy. So this one has the standard chrome 5-spoke wheels. This blue finish is actually metallic. It's like a metallic blue, so that's nice. You can see a lot of details in the door handle area. The window moldings are raised. The little door panel cuts are really thin. I guess the stance isn't even that bad for a van, although what's weird is the axle placement. Look at how much gap there is here, but how little there is there. What about this side? This side's a little bit better. I wonder if the motor axle's bent or something. Not sure. Alright, well, we're on this side. It seems like this side has the fuel filler. And then on the front we have nice black paint in all these vent areas, grills, and they have strakes in them. The Honda badge is actually 3-dimensional, molded in there. We'll get a nice white license plate. Would be nice if they had something printed on it though. Silver for the headlights, and then you can see the motor through this gray windshield. Some ribs on the roof. The door panel cuts are coming up here even. Yeah, unfortunately the roof is not very nice. There's like a paint missing or a scratch, and then that and that and that. The rear, it's got a Honda badge as well raised, so that's good. The taillights have some molded details and they're painted red and white. And then number 30 in the line of castings, I'm gonna guess. Oh boy, there's some scratches or something, or contaminants in the paint here, and a scratch there. Alright, yeah, I don't know why they switched over to Japanese text halfway through the name of this thing. And it says 06 down here, seeing the construction of a screw and a tab. Alright, well, sadly there's a lot of QC problems from this thing. I wonder if it was really new. It looked like it was new, it was taped together, but maybe someone carefully retaped it. Or, well, I don't know. Luckily this isn't really a car I crave to have. I just bought it because it's relatively inexpensive and I wanted to do a wheel swap. So, let me unscrew this thing. If you guys are new to ChoroQs, you'll see that most of the time they just take a clear body or smoked gray body, and that's what becomes the windows and sometimes the headlights, on rare occasions the taillights, and then they paint everything else. See? So this is one piece of smoked plastic all painted. And then here's the spring motor. This little tab is holding that front end down. There's a production dial there and there. Let's see, that says the December of 2006. December, so, or am I right? Wait a sec. Yeah, I think it's December of 06. Not that that's important. I'm going to swap these tires over to some other tires. I'm going to pop in a replacement blank motor, and we'll see what happens. So you may have seen these wheels in a couple other videos, but I printed them again and painted them like a titanium color. The name of these wheels are called Cheviot Sonic wheels. They're old JDM wheels, I think. But anyways, I like the way they look, so I put them on several models now. I'm going to just pull out two other ChoroQs today, two other Honda van-like things. This first one is a Honda Mobilio, and it has some Hot Wheels Real Riders on it that I painted green. And then I think this must be the predecessor, this next one. It just says Step Wagon on the back, and it has some ChoroQ wheels with using putty. All these are using putty to mount the wheels. That's why the rears have camber, in many cases the fronts are steering. Alright. Alright, not much to it today. Just swapping out the wheels. So, another boxy van. I like vans. I drive a van, a minivan, so a really small minivan. Okay, well thanks for watching. I'll see you the next time. Bye now.